Ginza is one of the most popular areas in Tokyo. It's just one stop from Tokyo Station, and in Tokyo, one stop is surprisingly short. So, can we just walk there? Let's find out. Hello, I'm Nobuko. I'm at Tokyo Station now. Ginza is quite a large area, so let's walk to the main shopping district. Let's start from the Yaesu exit. I also have a detailed Tokyo Station guide. You'll find it in the description below. With the station behind you, head to the right. As you walk toward Ginza, you'll see the city gradually change around you. There's a sushi stand on the right. I already had a sandwich. Bad timing. On the left are the bus stops. The ticket counters are on the right. The Marunouchi side has the famous red brick building, while the Yaesu has a large bus terminal. That's a useful way to tell them apart. This area is being heavily redeveloped right now. That's why you see so many new buildings here. To get to Ginza, cross the street here and keep walking on the other side. Right now, you can see a lot of large buildings. This area used to have large daimyo estates, which made it easier to build big structures. As we walk toward Ginza, you'll start to notice the city changing. Watch carefully. It's almost Ginza. This area is near JR Yurakucho Station. You can't see it now, but the station is on the right side.
I agree, that one.
That Uniqlo on the left is quite big. The Uniqlo is way bigger than I thought. Finally, we've arrived at Ginza station. We've finally made it to Ginza. This is the Sukiyabashi intersection. Let's keep going to the main street. Let's turn left here. Around here, the land was divided into smaller plots, so it was harder to build large buildings. This used to be a residential area for ordinary people. It's interesting how it's now known as a luxury shopping area. It took me just under 20 minutes to walk here from Tokyo Station. You might walk a bit faster than me, so it could take even less time. Taking the subway is always an option, but walking like this and watching the city change is really nice experiences. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more Tokyo travel guides. Bye bye. またね